A 250,000-mile leap. The moon's incredible journey. Did you know that the moon can be over 252,000 miles away from Earth? That's an astonishing distance, almost unimaginable. That's like traveling around the Earth's equator 10 times. Imagine the journey, the vastness of space. Most people think of the moon as being at a fixed distance, but this is not the case. The moon's orbit is elliptical, causing it to move closer and farther away. The moon's distance from our planet is constantly changing. This dynamic relationship is a dance of celestial mechanics. This fluctuation in distance has a fascinating impact on our planet and our perception of the moon. It affects tides, gravitational forces, and even how we see the moon in the night sky. The moon's dance. Not a perfect circle. The moon doesn't orbit Earth in a perfect circle. Instead, it follows an elliptical path, like a slightly squashed circle. This elliptical orbit means that sometimes the moon is closer to Earth and sometimes it's farther away. We don't always notice these changes in distance because they happen gradually over the course of a month. However, these variations in distance have noticeable effects on our planet. Apogee and perigee. The moon's extreme points. There are specific terms to describe the moon's closest and farthest points from Earth. When the moon is at its farthest point, we call it apogee. This distance averages about 252,088 miles. Conversely, when the moon is closest to Earth, we call it perigee. At perigee, the moon is approximately 225,623 miles away. That's a difference of roughly 26,000 miles. Section 4, Tides and Visibility. The moon's distance plays a role. The moon's distance from Earth is not constant. It varies as the moon follows its elliptical orbit. These changes in the moon's distance affect us here on Earth in several ways, influencing both natural phenomena and our perception of the moon. One of the most noticeable effects is on the tides, which are the regular rise and fall of sea levels. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, causing them to bulge out on the side closest to the moon and the side farthest from the moon. This gravitational interaction is what creates the tidal forces we observe. These bulges create high tides, which are higher than the average sea level. When the moon is closer to Earth at perigee, its gravitational pull is stronger, leading to higher high tides and lower low tides. This is because the gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between two objects. This difference in tides is most pronounced during full and new moons, when the Sun, Earth and Moon are aligned, amplifying the gravitational effects. The moon's distance also influences its visibility, affecting how large and bright it appears to us on Earth. When the moon is at perigee, it appears slightly larger and brighter in the night sky. This is often referred to as a supermoon. This difference in size and brightness is subtle but noticeable if you pay close attention to the moon's appearance over time. Observing these changes can be a fascinating way to connect with the natural rhythms of our planet and its celestial companion. Section 5. Supermoons, when the moon looms large. Sometimes a full moon coincides with perigee, creating a phenomenon known as a supermoon. During a supermoon, the moon appears even larger and brighter than usual because it's both full and at its closest point to Earth. Supermoons have captivated skywatchers for centuries and offer a stunning visual spectacle. Section 6. A celestial dance. Our constant companion. The moon's varying distance from Earth is a testament to the dynamic relationship between our planet and its celestial companion. This distance, which ranges from about 225,000 miles to 252,000 miles, affects not only the gravitational pull, but also the way we perceive the moon from Earth. From the ebb and flow of tides to the captivating sight of a supermoon, the moon's influence is woven into the fabric of our world. The gravitational forces exerted by the moon cause the ocean tides to rise and fall, creating a rhythmic dance that has been observed for millennia. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us marvel at the intricate dance between Earth and Moon, a dance that has unfolded for billions of years. This celestial ballet not only shapes our natural world, but also inspires countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. So the next time you look up at the moon, consider its incredible journey and the impact it has on our planet. Think about how its phases, from new moon to full moon, have guided human activities, from agriculture to navigation. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, we are connected to the celestial bodies around us. The moon serves as a constant companion, a silent witness to the passage of time and the evolution of life on Earth. What are your thoughts on the moon's ever-changing distance from Earth? How does it make you feel to know that this celestial body, so familiar yet so mysterious, continues to